Hey there! Today, I'll be walking you through how to create a QR code on Wix using their free web tool. Head over to the Wix QR code generator page at wix.com/tools/QR-code-generator. This is a standalone web tool, not something inside the Wix editor. Once the page loads, you'll see a Create QR Code button in the main area. Click Create QR Code. A content type selection menu will appear with several options: text, URL, image, email, PDF, and a few others. Pick the one that matches what you want your QR code to link to. For most websites, you'll want the URL option. Next, you'll see an input field appear below your content type selection. This is where you enter your details. If you chose URL, type in the web address you want people to visit when they scan the code. If you picked a different type like PDF, you'll see an upload area instead. Now let's customize the size. You'll see a slider labeled Select Size. Drag it left to make the QR code smaller, or right to make it bigger. The minimum size is 100 by 100 pixels, and the maximum is 1000 by 1000 pixels. Pick a size that works for where you'll be using it. Below that, you'll find the colors option. Click it, and you'll get color pickers for both the background and the QR code dots themselves. Choose colors that match your brand if you want, or stick with the defaults. Click the Download button. A format selector will appear with three options: PNG, SVG, or JPEG. SVG is the best choice if you're printing the QR code on physical materials because it stays sharp at any size. PNG or JPEG work fine for digital use like websites or social media. After you select your format, the file downloads immediately. Here are a few things to keep in mind. First, test the QR code with your phone's camera before you share it anywhere to make sure it links to the right place. Second, if you want to add it to your Wix site, open the Wix editor, go to Add Elements, click Image, upload your downloaded QR code, and drag it into position. Finally, you can also upload the QR code directly to social media or include it in your branding materials. That's the full process.